The Backyard Woodshop.
Hi, welcome back to the Backyard Woodshop. I'm Tom Ryder. It's been a little while since I've made a video. I wanted to share with you guys this 12-inch compound miter saw. I've been using this about a year. This is a nice little saw. If you're looking to get a miter saw to throw on the truck or something to take places that has plenty of capacity and plenty of power, this is a good one to choose. It's I paid like 160 bucks for it on sale a year ago at Lowe's. It's really impressed me overall. The table's flat, fences stay square. I haul this thing in and out of the truck constantly with no problems. It's got a handle right here. It only weighs, I believe it's 35 pounds, which is a lot better than my Hitachi. I got a 12-inch slider. That thing weighs 75. That's a monster. Is there a difference between the two? Well, obviously the slide, but this one's only a single compound bevel, where the Hitachi's a double, or dual, however you want to say it. Other than that, I can do most of what I can do on the Hitachi on this. This is the stock blade. I keep that for cutting 2x4s and 4x4s for decking. But when I'm doing finish work, I use this blade right here, and I've got my little fence here that I rig up, and if I'm doing base or anything like that, this works out really well. No splintering, everything's great. You got that fine blade. Shoe molding especially, because obviously the opening in here is huge, and you can get a piece that'll just go flying on you. Dust collection is pretty good. The bag fills up really fast because the collection is so good, and so you have to remember to empty that bag often if you're somewhere where you want to keep the dust down. I haven't hooked a vacuum up to it because most of the time I leave this outside. So when it's outside, I drop the bag off, because just let it blow, because this bag fills up so fast, and before you know it, you got sawdust all in here because the chute's even clogged up. So it works. It just, you got to remember to empty the bag. Other than that, it's just your typical miter saw. It goes 48 both ways. You can tilt it for the 48 that way, -3 this way. It's a good little saw. My biggest complaint, and I don't know why they do it this way, but the arbor nut is an Allen head. Drives me crazy. I like a wrench. That way, if I lose this, I can still take off the arbor. So otherwise, I got to carry this everywhere I go. You lock this back and adjust that screw, and then you can take this apart. It does have a blade lock, which is a plus. But it works really well. Let me put this guard down. It's a little loud. I'll go ahead and fire it for you. It's a bit loud, but it works really well. I can throw a 4x4 on. Oh, let's take a piece of scrap 4x4 here. Throw up here. So I'll show you how this thing cuts, basically. And that's it. Cuts through 4x4s like hot butter. And that's with the stock blade I've had on here for a year, and it stayed sharp. I tell you, I don't hit nails or anything with it. So, it makes a pretty clean cut, if you're doing construction. Now, if you want to do any other things, I definitely recommend a better blade. But with a good blade, any saw can work really well. Look for the 12-inch Porter cable miter saw. I'll pick you one up if this fits the bill. Great for remodels. Really portable. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just email me at backyardwoodshop@gmail.com. And until next time, I see you in the backyard.